Okay, so now we know what technologies we use. So let's see a demo of a backend, how it responds. So if I do, http example.com, this is a command line tool which I have installed. You can also use curl. So this is HTTPie. So what is happening is there must be a server. So usually it gets written in this header itself. If it is Nginx, if it is, yes, there is this server. This is ECS, some kind of server, and here they are using HTTP version 1. HTTP 3 has arrived, and this is the status code. Again, these things will be covered, and this is age accept what the backend server accepts. It is telling the client or a browser, and cache control, and this is the response it serves. So right now this is not an API. If you want to test your APIs or any API you want to get some idea about, you can simply use this httpbin.org. So what they give you is some basic HTTP APIs which you can use to generate and test data. So what are the headers and things which you are getting. So let's go here in HTTP methods. You can simply do /get to httpbin.org, and response type, you can simply click here on try it out and it will execute, and you can copy this curl, and I'll go here and paste it. So there you go. This is what it sends. It accepts application JSON. Whatever you send in this header, it will response you back. If I say accept yo, so it will return same thing here in accept yo. Okay, that's how you can play with HTTP APIs and all. And here you have this status code. Again, you can find all the status codes on MDN, and here you have this dynamic data. So it will generate some links, random, and cookies as well. We will again learn those things. So this is how you can play with all the things here. Again, this is just for you to experiment and learn, and we will build some of these features in our AWS APIs.